Where is it? I cannot find the family recipe book anywhere. This is a disaster.
Calm down, Max. Panic is not a strategy. A strategy is a plan of action. Do you have a plan?
My plan is to find the book. Uncle John is coming for dinner tonight. He expects the special apple pie.
Max, honey, why is the living room upside down? You look like you are searching for buried treasure.
It is a treasure, Sarah. The recipe book is a family heirloom. Heirloom means something valuable passed down through generations.
Your memory is shorter than my walking stick, Max. Look over there, under the plant pot.
Aha! Here it is. Thank you, Mother. You have eyes like a hawk.
Eyes like a hawk? That is a great idiom. It means she has excellent vision.
Less talking, more cooking.
The pie will not bake itself. To the kitchen, team!
Okay, let's open the book. Page 100. The legendary apple pie. First ingredient?
Apples.
We need to peel the apples. Peel means to remove the skin. I am an expert at peeling.
Let me handle the knife, Max. You are an expert at eating, not peeling. Safety first. Next, we need flour. But be careful, the recipe says sift the flour. To sift means to put it through a sieve to make it fine.
Says, like this? Cough, cough, cough. I think I am sifting the flour into the air, not the bowl.
Oh, Max, you are making a mess. A mess is a dirty or untidy state. But you look very cute. Cooking is about patience. Patience is the ability to wait without getting angry. Max, take a deep breath.
I am patient. I am kneading the dough. Knead means to massage the mixture. It feels like a workout.
Teamwork makes the dream work. We are doing a great job. The oven is preheated to 180 degrees.
Finally, now we wait. While we wait, let's set the table. Setting the table is important etiquette. Etiquette means polite behavior.
Yes, go set the table, Max. And please do not break the plates.
The dining room looks beautiful. The light is perfect. I will place the plates in the center of each seat. Precision is key. Sarah, can you bring the cutlery? Cutlery refers to knives, forks, and spoons.
Remember the rule. Fork on the left, knife and spoon on the right. It is a universal rule. Not bad. But the napkins? Where are the napkins? We cannot wipe our mouths on our sleeves.
Napkins. I forgot the linen napkins. They are in the laundry room. I will be right back. He is always in a rush. In a rush means moving very quickly.
Be careful, Max. He tries hard. He wants everything to be perfect for the reunion. Family means a lot to him. Yes, family is the most important thing, even if we are a little bit chaotic. Chaotic means confused or disordered.
I found them. The red napkins. Red is a festive color. Festive means cheerful and celebrating.
Well done. The stage is set. Now we just need the guests.
And the pie.
Do you smell something burning?
Oh no! The timer! I forgot to set the timer. The pie is burning.
It's burning!
Burning means it's on fire. Careful, Max.
Open the window. We need ventilation. Ventilation allows fresh air to enter. It is ruined.
Ruined means destroyed. My masterpiece is a disaster.
Don't panic. We can fix it. We will cover the burnt parts with cream. It is a disguise. Wow. It looks beautiful again.
You are a genius, Sarah. Genius is a very smart person.
He is here! Uncle John is never late. He is punctual. Let's go!
Hello, family. I have arrived. Long time no see. Long time no see is a greeting for old friends.
Uncle John?
Uncle John, you are crushing me. Crushing means squeezing too hard. Welcome back for the beautiful Sarah. And for Mother, a respectful bow. You all look fantastic.
I see you are wearing your quiet suit today. That is sarcasm. Sarcasm is saying the opposite of what you mean. Please make yourself at home. Make yourself at home means to relax. Can I get you a drink?
Just water, please. Dehydrated from the flight. Dehydrated means my body needs water. So, how was the trip? Tell us everything. We want to hear the details. It was massive. Massive means very, very big. I climbed a mountain and saw the clouds below me.
Dinner is ready. We have a special dessert tonight. Max's famous apple pie.
Oh, wow. Bon appetit. Here it is. It looks different because of the special topping. It sounds very crunchy.
Max, did you bake it a long time? Crunchy means making a sharp noise.
I am honored. Let's taste this masterpiece. Masterpiece is a work of outstanding skill.
Oh,
Wow.
that is.
That is a very interesting flavor. Interesting can mean strange.
Water! Give me water! Max, what did you put in this? It tastes like the ocean.
Yuck. It is salty. Extremely salty. Salty means tasting of salt. Why is it salty?
Max, you used the jar labeled salt instead of sugar. You made a salt pie. What a mistake! This is the best prank ever.
Frank is a joke. Max, you are a legend. We will never forget this.
To the salt pie. Cheers!
To save the evening, let's play a game. Charades. Charades is a guessing game with acting. I will act out a word without speaking. You have to guess. Guess means to estimate the answer. Is it a plane? A chicken?
No.
A penguin?
I know. It is an eagle. Eagle is a large bird. Am I right?
Correct. Eagle. Very good. Good. Your turn, Uncle John.
This is fun, but I am getting sleepy. Sleepy means ready for bed. It is past my bedtime.
Before we sleep, I have small gifts. For Max, a genuine cowboy hat. Yeehaw! I look like a movie star. Genuine means real. Thank you. For Sarah, a hand-painted fan to keep you cool in the kitchen. Intricate means very detailed.
It is beautiful. I will treasure it. Treasure means to keep carefully and value highly.
Look at these places. The world is so big.
Vast is another word for very big.
Maybe one day I will travel with you to see the sunset. Sunset is when the sun goes down. Let's take a photo. Say
Cheese! Cheese makes you smile. Let's tidy up. Tidy up means to organize and clean. A clean house is a happy house.
lights out. Switch off means to turn off the power. The day is done. Ah, good night, Mother. Sleep tight. Sleep tight is a wish for good sleep. Good night, brother. Tomorrow you cook breakfast. No salt allowed. Ah, laughs.
The next morning, the sun was shining. It was a brand new day.
Breakfast time. I am making pancakes. Fluffy pancakes. Fluffy means soft and light. Wow, they look perfect. Not burnt like my pie. You are a real chef. Delicious.
This is the best way to start the day. Delicious means very tasty. Family is like a recipe. Sometimes sweet, sometimes salty, but always good together.
Goodbye. See you next time.
See you next time. Keep learning.